Hello, I'm Dr. Hilary Jones. I'm a GP and medical broadcaster. You may have seen me pop up on breakfast television over the years talking about a range of medical subjects. And I've teamed up with Pall Mall Medical to talk about the value of health screening. Health screening is something that can reassure you about your current level of health and point you in the right direction to make you even healthier and prevent problems in the future. First of all, what is health screening? Well, it's an excellent way of assessing where you stand right now as regards your general health. You'll be asked questions about your lifestyle, about your medical history, about your family history, and it will incorporate a series of blood tests looking for a range of potential medical conditions, ranging from anemia right through to immune problems and diabetes, for example. You'll be seen by a private general practitioner, given plenty of time to ask any questions or concerns that you may be worried about. And because it's independent of the NHS at Pall Mall, you don't have to give any information that's shared with your general practitioner, unless, of course, you would like that to happen. What happens at a health screening? Well, first of all, you'll be asked questions about your lifestyle, your medical history, your family history, any medications that you may be taking, and of course, any concerns that you may have at the current time and any symptoms that you might want to talk about. You'll be given plenty of time, and then during that time with the private GP, you'll be given some blood tests and other investigations and urine samples. And when the results come through, which just take a matter of a few days, you'll be given a personalised report pointing out anything that you can do to improve your general health and to prevent problems in the future. The joy is you can make your appointment anytime you want at your convenience. So it could be during the day, it could be at an evening appointment, or indeed at weekends. Another frequently asked question is, how do I know what type of health screening is correct for me? And the reason that's a good question is because there are various packages that you can choose from. And if you're not sure which one is suitable for you, a good option is one that's designed for both men and women, which is the Well Man Clinic or the Well Woman Clinic. That covers a whole range of various issues that can put your mind at rest. It might be, however, that you want a specific area targeted in the health screen, such as your lung health or your heart health, and we can accommodate that as well. There are certain areas where a specialist consultant will carry out the health screen. For example, if you wanted a PSA done to check your prostate health, if you had menopausal symptoms or were worried about the implications of the menopause or treatment that might be required, and then of course erectile dysfunction too. The important thing is that you're not embarrassed to ask about what type of health screening is best for you, and we have the advice there on hand to give you. How often should you have a health screen? Well, the answer is you can have a health screening as often as you wish. The point being that a health screen done on a regular basis can pinpoint any issues that are arising and could cause problems in the future, so we can nip them in the bud. It's a preventative measure to alert you to anything that needs to be changed, and that's the value of it. Furthermore, I think we should treat our own health like we treat the health of our car. We MOT and tax our car every year, and it only makes sense to look after our own bodies in the same way, if not a better way. And if we health screen on a regular basis, we're doing just that. How much is a health screening? Well, at Pall Mall Medical, health screening starts from £210, and I think it makes good sense to invest in your health. What happens if the health screen turns up something serious that you didn't know about? Well, you'll be given a full personalised report with all your results and guidance as well as to what you should do next. The joy of this is that you can share that information, if you wish, with your GP or NHS GP, or you can come back to a private specialist at Pall Mall Medical to discuss things further. And if necessary, referral to a specialist can ensure you get the right imaging techniques and the right diagnostic tools to take things on further, so that you're absolutely au fait with what needs to be done and when. How is health screening used in the workplace? Well, Pall Mall Medical perform many specialised medicals, including taxi licensing and visa applications for travelling abroad. And then there may be particular occupational needs for health screening. For example, people working at heights, people working in the food industry, and for people who are working with heavy or dangerous equipment. So health screening is important there. And if you're lucky enough to have company medical insurance or private medical insurance, it may well be that your health screening is covered there. So if it is, use it. Does a health screen include a drug test of any kind? Well, a standard or routine health screen doesn't, in fact, include drug or alcohol testing, but if one is required, it can certainly be arranged.